What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today I'm sharing this Thai Style Omelette. If you're looking for a savory egg breakfast, or actually snack, lunch, or dinner, this is the recipe for you. This recipe is really quick to make, and it skips the deep frying of a traditional Thai omelette while still keeping those really nice crispy edges and fluffy interior. Let's get started. The ingredients are super simple. I'm adding some sliced up scallions to my omelet because I love scallions, but you can make yours plain too. Slice up the scallions nice and thin and put them to the side. In a bowl, whisk together 2 eggs and some black pepper. I guess white pepper is more traditional here, but I didn't have any, so black pepper it is. You'll also want to add in some fish sauce. I added a whole tablespoon, but if you're a fish sauce newbie or if it kind of scares you, only add 2 teaspoons. I swear this does not end up tasting fishy at all, just super savory. Whisk everything up and then add in your scallions and mix them well. In a pan over high heat, you're going to heat up some oil. I'm using vegetable oil here, but any clear oil will work. Get it nice and hot before adding in your eggs. Truthfully, I could have even let my oil get a little hotter before adding mine in, but it still turned out delicious. Once you pour your eggs in, let the edges and bottom of the omelet start to set before using a spatula to carefully push the cooked bits of eggs towards the center of the pan while also tilting it to allow the still runny egg to run onto the pan and cook quicker. Do it a couple times over the next 2 minutes or so until the top of the omelet starts to dry out. At that point, check that the bottom of the omelet is browned, and go ahead and flip it. This is not supposed to be a pale yellow French omelet. You want those crispy brown bits. After cooking it for another minute on the second side, serve your omelet up with just some rice and chili sauce for an easy meal, or some veggies or a fresh salad for a more complete one. I love this omelet and how those crispy edges pair with the rice and chili sauce. Try this for breakfast tomorrow, and I'm sure that you'll love it as much as I do. Let me know what you think in the comments below and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for cooking with me again. See you next time.